Hi, and nice to see you back at Garfin's Creation. Today, let's make this juicy and creamy Chicken Malai Kabab. This starter is really very easy to prepare. You'll find the written recipe in the description box below. So let's start with the recipe. So here into a bowl, I'll be adding 300 grams of chicken mince which is thoroughly washed and drained. Now into this chicken, let's add 1 medium-sized onion that is finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped mint leaves, 1 to 2 green chilies and 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves. Just chop them finely, and you can also use a chopper to chop all of these. Now let's add some spices into it. Here I have taken half a teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon jeera powder and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I'll also be adding 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ghee. In place of ghee, you can also add oil. You'll also be adding 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. For this recipe, you can adjust the amount of salt and the spiciness too by adjusting more or less green chilies. Now we'll just mix all these thoroughly, and I'll just use my hands now and just squeeze the mince and all the ingredients together. By doing so, all the flavors of the spices get well mixed into the chicken mince. And once you have mixed this well, we'll just form a little small kebabs. You can also make large kebabs and use a wooden skewer and then grill them later too. I'll be frying these today on the gas stove, so I'm just making small croquette size. We can make them any shape, even round or even long ones. So I'll continue making all of these in the same way and keep it ready so that we can fry them next. So I finished shaping all of the kebabs, and these are all of it. You can also store these kebabs in the freezer and fry them whenever you are ready to serve them. So for shallow frying this, I've just added a little oil in a frying pan and added just a little of these kebabs. I'll be frying these on medium flame. Don't turn them immediately. Let them fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes on each sides and then flip them and let them cook till they get a nice golden brown. So these kebabs are well fried and they look properly cooked. So just take them out and I'll continue frying with the next batch of the kebabs too. You may be wondering where's the malai in this chicken kebab. Don't worry, we still have to toss these all in some yummy creamy sauce. So once you've finished frying all of these, I'll just clean the pan, and in the same pan I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of butter. And once the butter is melted, I'll be adding 1 onion and 1 capsicum that has been cubed. I've just separated the layers of the onions, and we will just toss this for a few seconds. Do not wait for it to get very soft. If you do not prefer the onions and capsicum, you can just skip this and just add the next ingredients directly into the butter. So next into this, I'll be adding some fresh cream. You can add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of cream into this. And next into this, I'll be adding half a teaspoon of chaat masala. We'll just stir this for about a minute. And as you keep stirring, the cream starts thickening up. So you can definitely add more cream into this. There is no need to add salt, as the butter and the chaat masala too has got sufficient salt in it. So now we'll also be adding the fried kebabs into it and just let it mix well so that all the cream coats the kebabs well. These kebabs are really going to become more creamy, juicy and softer. You can also fry the kebabs and keep them ready, and when you want to serve, you can just toss them in the cream. And with this, our juicy chicken malai kebab is ready. This starter tastes best when served hot. And as these cools down, the kebab will absorb all the juices and become a little dry like this. We can also serve this with some nice green chutney. This malai chicken kebab is a really good starter to add it to your party menu. So I hope you like this recipe and do give it a try. Do leave your comments below, and also do subscribe to Garfin's Creation for more such videos. I'll see you soon again. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.